What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to fix the HP 15 5 caps lock blink. This can be very frustrating. So if you are experiencing your HP 15 caps lock blinking 5 times, that's 3 long and 2 short blinks with no display on your screen, this is the last resort you should be trying. So first off, if you have that issue, you can try resetting the BIOS, as that's the first step. Try resetting the BIOS, normal reset. If that doesn't work for you, you can also try to rewrite the BIOS. Yeah, you can rewrite the BIOS by manually removing the BIOS from the board and then using the BIOS programmer to rewrite it. If that doesn't work for you, you can also try this last step, which I'm doing right now. You have to change the startup IO chip. I did this for my HP 15 and it works perfectly well. You have to have a Duino board. That's any HP laptop. Doesn't have to be the same model number, just any HP 15 model. You can replace the startup IO chip from that Duino board and to your faulty HP 15, and it should work. Work perfectly for you too. Yeah, some might argue that ordering the startup IO chip is better, but that's just risky, because you can buy the startup IO chip and you would have to reprogram that new one, which doesn't work most of the time. So you can risk ordering the startup IO chip too from wherever you can order it, and then try to program it. But it won't work, mostly won't work. Just get a Duino board and then get the startup IO chip. Most HP use the same startup IO chip, so just get a Duino board. You can check the IC number on the startup IO chip. This is me just cleaning the pots, getting ready to change the startup IO chip. Some even go further to order the whole motherboard just because of this problem. I mean, if you don't mind changing the whole board, if you have the money, I mean, you can go for it. But that's way too expensive. This is much cheaper. You can just change the startup IO chip and then you're good to go. You need to be careful with the terminals on the PCB board. Make sure you use plenty of flux to get the desired results. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you enjoyed my video, if it works for you, it should work for you. 5 caps lock lights blinking, 3 long and 2 short, without displaying. After resetting the BIOS, if it doesn't work, after rewriting the BIOS, if that doesn't work, then try this. This should work for you. HP 15 laptop. Sorry I didn't start from the beginning, that is, I didn't cover losing the motherboard and all that. This video is strictly for fellow technicians like me. I mean, if you have tried all, you should try changing this startup IO chip. And if it works for you, please don't forget to come and comment so others can know it actually works. So just change the startup IO chip and then you should be good to go. Like, share, and subscribe. Carefully trying to set the IO chip, the replacement. As you can see, it's exactly the same chip. My videos are not edited, I mean they are raw just as I recorded them and posting them. No cuts, no edits, just change the startup IO chip and you should fix your caps blinking problem and the black display problem. Little heat, some flux, and you should be good to go. Add more flux to get the desired results. Carefully check every pin and make sure it is soldered to the board perfectly to avoid further damage. Making sure every components are still present. Yes, this is me following every single leg to make sure it's perfect. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. And if you don't know how to reset the BIOS or rewrite the BIOS, I'll drop a video showing you how to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe.